Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope each and every one of you is doing well and having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Your love, support and encouragement mean the world to me and I truly appreciate having you here. In today's video, I am excited to share a gorgeous handmade crochet curtains, wall hanging ideas and beautiful crochet patterns. These handcrafted curtains are designed to add warmth, charm and a touch of elegance to any space in your home. If you are decorating your living room, window, bedroom, guest room, lounge, sitting area, or internet, these crochet curtains create a cozy, stylish, and welcoming atmosphere. Their delicate flower pattern and intricate workmanship make them a perfect choice for everyone who loves unique handmade home decor. If you are passionate about crochet or looking for fresh crochet inspiration, you have come to the right place. Our channel is filled with creative crochet projects, beautiful curtain design, wall hanging, home decor ideas, and easy crochet inspiration of beginner as well as experienced crocheter. Every design is carefully handmade with love, creativity, and attention to detail, making each piece a timeless addition to your home. We hope these ideas inspire you to create something beautiful and transform your living space with the charm of handmade crochet. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our latest crochet creations. We would love to hear your thoughts.